Look at this. It's so rough, so you guys should play with me. Yeah. Let's open this mirror. Hi fam, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you are all doing fine. If you are coming across my channel for the first time, my name is Temi. You are welcome to Temi Base of Family. Yeah. So in today's video, I'm going to clean this bedroom with you guys, and I want you guys to clean with me. It's so rough, not that dirty, but rough. Yeah, I'm going to arrange what I'm supposed to arrange. Let's go. Can you guys see this? So I just finished editing my video. So let me first of all off this laptop. Then I'm going to go on and clean straight away. Alright, so I'm going to go on and clean this bed first. This is the best plate I'm going to use. So let's arrange all this. I washed these clothes and I want to fold them, but because of time I couldn't fold them. So I'm going to go on and do it now. Alright, I think this little wardrobe at my back, I'm going to be putting my baby girl clothes. Yeah, my little princess. So I want to see what it will look like. If it's not giving, I'm going to be putting my bag. But this bag here is not what I'll be putting here. And let's see. I don't know why. I love cleaning, but I love cooking more than cleaning. Yeah, cleaning is so exhausted. But what to do? You have to do it. You have to do it, okay? I love to be making everywhere clean, but I really don't like cleaning, but I love to make everywhere clean. I don't know how I can explain it. I hate when I see dirty, but I really don't like cleaning. I prefer cooking than cleaning. So yeah, I'm going to leave you guys to watch this video with me. I'm still going to drop my morning routine, the full video of morning routine, because I saw some comments in the comment section that I should drop the full video. I will surely do that. Yeah, for you guys and with me and for me. All right, so you guys should relax and enjoy this.
Looking through the junk drawer, searching, somewhere there's a lighter lurking to light my daughter's 14th birthday candles. I came across a bag of knickknacks, orphaned screws, expired Tic Tacs, and a key from long ago. Is it from my house when I was growing up, and you were always showing up and throwing little pebbles at my window?
So let me show you guys this wardrobe. It's so rough. Can you guys see this? Oh my gosh, look at this. It's so rough, so you guys should play with me. Yeah.
Looking through the junk drawer, searching, somewhere there's a lighter lurking to light my daughter's 14th birthday candles. I came across a bag of knickknacks, orphaned screws, expired Tic Tacs, and a key from long ago. Is it from my house when I was growing up?
So this is what we arranged so far. All these are my winter wears. Yeah. And this way, guys, I have to go and take my babies. Then I've cleaned this place. I want to check if I can read my baby clothes here, or I should return it back to where it is before. So let me check. I'll be folding the clothes and I'll be arranging them.
Looking through the junk drawer, searching, somewhere there's a lighter lurking to light my daughter's 14th birthday candles. I came across a bag of knickknacks, orphaned screws, expired Tic Tacs, and a key from long ago. Is it from my house when I was growing up, and you were always showing up and throwing little pebbles at my window? I would tiptoe down the stairway, past my parents where they were drifting in the land of Nod. And I'd go out, sneaking through the side door. I would plant a little fairy kiss there upon your cherry lips, and I held your freezing hands. Our love was still so very new, but I knew that I would marry you. You've always been the key to open me. Was it our apartment by the bakers when you were pushing papers and I was working second shift? At times,
as I was cleaning, I saw this new cloth that I bought for my baby girl. If I take it that I forgot, you won't believe me. It's because I don't need it. As me I need it, I will have remembered. So I was trying to show you guys that I forgot that I kept clothes here.
So what do you guys think about this? Should I leave it this way or I should move the clothes? Please let me know in the comment section. Yeah, I'll go on now and sweep everywhere. Let's go. Let's open this mirror. Yeah.
you've always been the key to open me. Was it our bungalow in Findlay with a picket fence and chimney in a garden full of pretty weeds? You were in your third trimester with cravings that would fester until you filled your knees. So it's out the door for pickles and Doritos. Another midnight run for groceries. I fumble for my pants and keys, but I was glad to do it. You were sailing through the troubled seas to find the final puzzle piece. You've always been the key to open me. So many doors I've closed and opened. Some were stuck and some were broken, but this key won't open anything of interest. You've been here from the beginning. Now even in the 7th inning, still the only key to open me.
Alright fam, I'm done cleaning. Let me show you guys the outcome of our cleaning. Yeah. So this is the outcome.
In a garden full of pretty weeds. You were in your third trimester with cravings that would fester until you filled the need. So it's out the door for pickles and Doritos. Another midnight run for groceries. I fumble for my pants and keys, but
And I'm going to see you guys in the next video. Stay well, stay cool, and bye.